Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection crashing, not launching, or black screen issues on PC. First, restart Steam. Close Steam completely and launch it again. You can also restart your computer and then try launching the game. Next, verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the verification is complete, launch the game again. If the issue continues, run the game from the installation folder. Right-click the game in Steam, select Manage, then browse Local Files. Find the game .exe file, right-click it, go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as administrator. Then launch the game. Another important step is to update your graphics driver. Go to the NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your graphics card, install it, and restart your computer. You should also disable overlay applications. Open Steam Properties and turn off Steam Overlay. If you have Discord Overlay, NVIDIA Overlay, or other overlay apps, disable them before launching the game. Next, run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Type Graphics Settings in Windows Search, add the game .exe file, click Options, and set it to High Performance. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install all available updates. Finally, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Download both x86 and x64 versions from Microsoft, install them, and restart your PC. One of these steps should help fix the crashing or startup problem. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.